everybody, I'm Alice and welcome to my channel. Today I'm subscribing beauty box from Boxycharm. This is September 2019 and I tried to do makeup with some products from this beauty box. And let's go! And open the box, and first is a list with all products, and I show you like nice packaging, and this is Boxycharm with the hashtags. And first product is from their brand, and this is hydrobiotic recovery sleeping mask that you can use and I would use before sleeping in the night. And Dr. Brands recommends apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse, use nightly. And they say that this mask is deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and thickens irrigation, and locks moisture to prevent water loss. Okay, I think it's a nice idea. Okay, and the next product is a set of the brushes. In the set there are 5 nice brushes from Moda Pro. This is 5 pieces deluxe eye kit. And they said that this brushes is cruelty free and 100% vegan. Okay, I open this. Oh. So wait. And this is 5 nice synthetic brushes. They look very beautiful, and so like Moda recommend use these brushes. And they said that BMX and numbers of these brushes. Okay, 466 for shade recommended. For apply color to your list, or use as smarter blending brush to soften harsh lines. Okay, this brushes is 466, and Moda recommended use it like to apply color to your lid, or use as a smarter blending brush to soften harsh lines. And the next is BMX 431. It's a crease, and to recommended to define and blend the crease, or use to buff over your entire lid. Okay, and the third brushes is 420 detail. It's little little brush for detail, and the pointed tip and this brush for detail, BMX 420. The pointed tip on the eye brush is ideal to apply shadow, highlighting to inner corner. Okay, I think it's useful brushes. And Smugly 402. It's like line, but very big line, and like small for triangle line, and big line. Okay, and the smudge BMX 402, the perfect size for applying color on your upper and lower lash lines, or smudging a liner for a soft smoky look. Oh, okay. And the line, expertly line upper and lower lash lines with the chiseled edge, also ideal for filling in brows. Okay, I think it's a cool brush too. And this is two pencil, and one of them is from $1 Billion Brows, and this is the microblade effect brow pen. Okay, I open it. Oh, very interesting packaging and brown color. And now I use this pen in my brows. What color is this? Brow pen, dark. Okay. So little strange, dark, some like purple, not only brown dark or something, I think. Maybe it's like little purple dark, but look so nice on brows. I think it's not that like in the picture, but interesting idea. Looks nice, but okay, nice. I think it's a good idea, not for every day, but sometimes it's useful. And third item is Hank and Jenry Slick with It, I think, and shadow Blicky Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, open this eyeliner. Sorry. Thin eyeliner and nice black color and very soft to close. And this is 5 items, and there are four items, and last item is very cool shadow palette. Okay, this is in my variety of beauty box this palette. In other beauty boxes is sometimes other palettes, but my palette is Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow palette. And okay, close mirror and show you these shadows. Okay, in this palette 10 shadows and 5 metallic shadows and 5 matte shadows, and the metallic is cream, pink, palmberry, gold and emerald. And so matte shadow is sand, terracotta, cinnamon, dirty rose and black. And this is all item, and I show you this all palette, 2 pencil, kit with brushes and Dr. Brand mask. And now I try to do makeup with this palette. Okay, this is makeup with my new palette from Boxycharm Beauty Box, and thank you for the watching, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.